So let me tell you about dashboards and how they work. While creating these dashboards, a lot of thought went into making them as simple, interactive, and flexible as possible. There's a few key drivers that enhance the power of this model. Number one, you'll be able to compare data over different time periods. This is crucial because you'll want to know if you're improving over time. Number two, you'll be able to zoom in on business activities, individual products, suppliers, sales team members, platforms, and so much more. Number three, we'll compare the sales in the sales journal to the expenses in the expense journal to give you an overview of the profitability of your business. We'll talk more on this later. You'll be able to choose which time periods you'd like to compare. Every dashboard has one distinct color for data or inputs that you can adjust. Every time you see a text box, or number in this color, it means you can adjust it by clicking on it. One thing that's consistent through each dashboard is the following. All the data on the dashboard will relate to the year you choose in the current year box. The data it's compared to will relate to the year you choose in the compared to box. You can adjust these years since they're both in your model's distinct color. You can return home and check out the other dashboards by clicking on them. For each dashboard, you can choose the current year and the year to compare to. The longer you use this model, the more valuable it will become because the insights you'll get will grow over time since you'll have more data to compare to.